Hey everybody, today we're doing a review and demo of this modern wooden riser for display decorations. And once you take this out of the box and out of the wrapping paper, this is pretty much ready to add to whichever room that you feel is the best fit for it. I felt like this was a good match for the kitchen. And this has a modern wooden look to it and a matching rope, which is really nice because if you want to, you can hang this on a hook in the kitchen or in the bathroom or anywhere else. And once you're ready to use it, you can just place it on the countertop. Now, in my case, I was interested in trying this out with a few different decorative combinations. The first being a candle with my rings. I happen to keep my rings all over the house, and sometimes I put it in the fruit bowl, which is not the smartest place to put those rings. And so this is nice to keep it all in one spot. Plus, when you combine it right next to a candle, it just has a really elegant look when you combine the two. There's plenty of space on this platform for a candle, your rings, and another object. I also wanted to try it with some kitchen items as well, including a decorative jar that we sometimes keep near the sink, and this was the perfect place for that, along with some small kitchen appliances. So you can really mix and match whichever best style you think fits with this particular wooden riser. The look and feel of it is super nice. It has these smooth edges around the sides, so it's not a hard point edge. They're actually smooth in the design and on the top as well, where you have that rope situated. The platform underneath is a nice solid placement, and it's not going to slip or move around very easily. So you can feel rest assured that the items that you're going to place on this are going to stay there in their place and that you're not going to have anything slip off. It's a very solid look, and again, I really like the modern aesthetics that comes with this classic design, and it really stands out. It can be the focal point of pretty much anywhere in the house, and it doesn't just have to be on countertops in the bathroom or the kitchen. I can also see this going in the middle of a small table in the living room, for example. You could add a small flower pot or some plants, whatever you think is the best mix and match for this particular modern wooden riser. Definitely 2 thumbs up. We're going to be using this all over the house. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.